how to delete a Gmail account or your single Gmail account. So if you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button and that bell notification on so you will stay updated. So we are here on our PC and I will be showing you how to delete a single Gmail account or your Gmail account from your PC. So what we would do is go to your Google and go to your Gmail account. So once you are here, we are going to this tab called, so we are here in the data privacy of your account. So that is the tab, data and privacy. So just scroll down and you will be seeing this, download or delete your data. So once you are here, you can click on delete Google data, and here you will be required to put on your password. So once you have put on your password, you will be directed to this page. As you can see, you can delete your YouTube, Gmail, and Google Play services. But in this one, we are going to delete our Gmail. So just click on the trash button. And in here, you are also required to put on your email account. So just type in your email account and you will be sent a confirmation letter. And once you are sent that and you have confirmed, you can now delete your Google account or your Gmail, and all of your emails will be deleted as well. So I hope this tutorial helps and see you on the next video.